Hello everyone and welcome to Speak English with Raksha. I'm Raksha and today we'll start learning English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Speak English with Raksha. Today, we are going to talk about a very special topic, English for introverts. Many people think introverts cannot speak English confidently, but that is not true at all. Right, Lohi?
Yes, Raksha. But honestly, I still feel scared when I try to speak English.
That's perfectly okay, Lohi. You are not alone. Tell me honestly, what exactly scares you?
I feel people will judge me. What if my grammar is wrong? What if my pronunciation sounds funny? My mind becomes blank when someone suddenly speaks in English.
This is the real struggle of introverts. Not lack of knowledge, but fear. Let me ask you something. When you speak in your mother tongue, do you feel scared?
No, not at all. I speak freely.
Exactly. That means the problem is not speaking. The problem is confidence and practice environment.
But Raksha, introverts like me don't like crowds, loud conversations, or showing off.
And that is actually your strength, not weakness. Introverts are good listeners. They think deeply. They observe carefully. These qualities help you become an excellent English speaker if you use them correctly.
Really? I never thought like that.
Let me tell you a small story. There was a student named Arav. He was very silent in class. Teachers thought he was weak in English because he never spoke. But one day, the teacher asked him to write an essay.
And?
His essay was brilliant. Perfect ideas, clear expressions, beautiful vocabulary. Everyone was shocked.
So he had knowledge but no speaking confidence?
Exactly. Introverts often learn silently, but they need a safe space to express.
I feel like Arav. I understand English, but speaking is difficult.
Good. Awareness is the first step. Lohi, repeat after me. I am an introvert, and that is okay.
I am an introvert, and that is okay.
Never try to become someone else. Don't force yourself to be loud or dramatic. Your learning style is calm and steady.
That makes me feel relaxed already.
Do you talk to yourself in your mind?
Yes, all the time.
Perfect. Start thinking in English slowly. For example, when you wake up, think, "Today is a beautiful day. I need to brush my teeth. I will drink tea."
So no speaking pressure, only thinking?
Exactly. Your brain gets used to English naturally. Let's try. Tell me what you did this morning in simple English.
I woke up, washed my face, and drank coffee.
Very good. Let me correct slightly. I woke up, washed my face, and drank coffee. See? Simple improvement.
Oh, that sounds smoother.
Introverts feel uncomfortable speaking loudly, so start with whispering. Read simple sentences quietly. I am learning English. I am becoming confident. I can speak slowly and clearly.
I am learning English. I am becoming confident. I can speak slowly and clearly.
Excellent. Your brain and mouth are getting trained gently.
Raksha, no one explained English learning in this calm way before. Usually teachers shout and push and pressure.
Learning should feel safe, not scary, especially for introverts.
I feel hope now.
Good. Hope creates consistency. Promise me one thing.
Okay.
Every day, speak at least one English sentence aloud. Only one.
Only one? That sounds easy.
Exactly. Small wins build big confidence. Imagine you meet me tomorrow. What will you say?
Good morning, Raksha. How are you?
Perfect. And I will reply, I am fine, Lohi. How was your day?
My day was good.
Excellent. Simple is powerful. Remember, fluency is not speed. Fluency is clarity and confidence.
I always thought I must speak fast like natives.
No, speak slow, speak clearly, speak confidently. Lohi, I was really curious to hear about your one-sentence practice.
Raksha, yes, I actually did it yesterday.
That's wonderful. Tell me, what sentence did you say?
I am learning English calmly and confidently.
Beautiful sentence. How did you feel after saying it?
At first, my voice was shaking, but after saying it twice, I felt proud, like I achieved something small but meaningful.
That feeling is called progress. Never underestimate small victories.
I didn't feel pressure. It felt safe.
Exactly what learning should feel like. Now that you have started speaking one sentence daily, let's slowly expand your words.
I usually forget new words quickly.
Because you try to learn too many at once, introverts learn best with depth, not speed.
What should I do instead?
Only 3 new words per day. Write them, read them, use them in simple sentences. That's all. Let's choose today's 3 words. Calm, improve, focus. Can you make simple sentences?
Okay. I feel calm when I study alone. I want to improve my English slowly. I can focus better in silence.
Excellent. All 3 sentences are correct. Notice how these words match your personality.
Yes, they feel personal.
Introverts are strong listeners. Listening builds natural pronunciation and rhythm.
I usually listen but don't repeat.
That's okay at first. First listen, then whisper, later speak. No rush. Repeat softly after me. I am becoming better every day.
I am becoming better every day.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Very good. Your voice already sounds more relaxed.
Raksha, I still worry about making mistakes in front of others.
Let me tell you something honest. Even fluent speakers make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, language is a living thing. Mistakes mean you are trying.
I always thought mistakes mean failure.
Mistakes mean growth. Say this with me. I allow myself to make mistakes.
I allow myself to make mistakes.
Good. That sentence heals fear. Let's design a peaceful daily routine for you. Morning, 5 minutes. Think in English while brushing or walking. Speak your one sentence aloud. Afternoon, 10 minutes. Learn 3 new words. Make simple sentences. Night, 10 minutes. Listen to slow English audio. Whisper practice.
This feels realistic. I can follow this daily.
Consistency matters more than intensity. Let's practice a small, real-life conversation. I'll be the shopkeeper. You are the customer.
Okay, I'll try.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I want a notebook.
Good sentence. How many notebooks do you want?
I want 2 notebooks.
Perfect. Very clear.
That was easier than I expected.
Confidence grows through action.
Yesterday, I was scared even to speak one sentence. Today, I spoke a small conversation.
That is real progress.
I feel calmer about English now.
Because fear is slowly leaving your mind. Before sleeping, write 3 simple sentences about your day. Example, today I practiced English. I learned new words. I feel confident.
I like writing. This suits me.
Good. Writing strengthens thinking and speaking together.
Raksha, for the first time, English feels friendly.
And it will become your friend forever if you stay patient. Dear friends, if you are an introvert, please remember one thing. Your silence is not your weakness. It is your strength. You don't need to shout to be confident. You don't need to rush to be fluent. You only need patience, consistency, and self-belief. Every small sentence you speak today is building a stronger tomorrow. Never compare your journey with others. Your growth is slow, steady, and beautiful.
I want to thank you, Raksha. Today, I feel hope instead of fear. I learned that I don't need to change who I am to learn English. I just need to trust myself and practice gently every day.
That's right, Lohi. And to all our viewers, start with one sentence today. Just one. Speak it with confidence and kindness towards yourself. Your voice matters. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. Comment below, I will speak one sentence today. Let's grow together, calmly and confidently. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep believing, and keep speaking.